Hi, it's Shem from Electrics. I think it's worth sharing a few information about Hive EO mini Hive 3 Mini O charger. I came across a batch of few of them where when commissioning there's no access to hotspot, or access is very limited. Saying that, when you go and look with provided details from the charger itself from the paperwork, you don't have all the options available, and what that means, you cannot commission it. I rang Helpline, and they said you should log in only for commissioning with the installer login only. And what I discovered that you have three places where you can find commissioning details in the charger. One of them is side of the housing of the EV charging point. The other one is front of the EV charger, and the third one is the leaflet inside of the box. And in any of them is something different than installer as a login and the password. Don't use it. Rang the helpline and they will provide you with the details. Hope that helps.